Hello everyone. Today is Monday, 3rd of June 24. So we're gonna analyze DAX as usual. So let's dig into the major or minor news and minor news for today. So we've got major news at 2:45 UK time. Final manufacturing PMI. So this is important news, and also at 3 as well, 3 p.m. So market might not decide the actual direction till then, or we might have some movement up till that point, because we've got also like a yellow folder news event, which is the final manufacturing PMI for Germany. I monitor this because this could have an effect on the market. So if this value is bigger than what previously was was released, and also higher than the forecast level, it could be good for the German DAX. So we get the similar data on economic calendar of TradingView. So I usually look at both. So we look at the high important news, which is the 3 o'clock one. So this is something that I do daily. So now let's go on the chart. So we look at on the daily chart, we can see that even though it looks like a up trend, trending up, but if you look deeper, you realize so we are making lower highs and lower lows even on the daily time frame. So if we look at the 4-hour, you can see this better, and you can see that we peaked around here, which was middle of May, and since then we've been making lower highs, and now we are still trying to test this zone to see if we are going any higher than that, or we're coming back down. So I don't know what could happen, but if we hold this zone, we could go higher, but if we don't, we certainly could see this 18,500. So right now we're 18,000, about 650. So this zone is also very important, because if you look, this is that one, the daily zone as well. So we are really retesting the daily zone and daily high, which was back in end of March. So that's basically, if we hold this zone, we could see a little higher, but we have to wait and see in the long term if we can break this high. If we can't, that means we are gonna probably go lower, but that's not for something for today. It's for end of the week or next week. So now let's dig into the 30 minutes. So we can see we sort of bottomed out on the 30 minutes chart from Thursday. Since then we've been pretty much consolidating during this zone, and we had a massive gap up for today. We can see that massive gap up for Asian range high. So we are really at the support resistance zone at the moment. So as I was saying, if we don't hold this zone, we're going to see lower zone. Perhaps if we keep it, we could see higher prices. So the scenarios that I do have in my head and on my chart are as follows. So if we break Asian range high, as well as the high of the day, which was on Wednesday, then we could see this high, but that is ADR. I doubt prices will pass this zone. So, and if we break, so if we can't break the Asian range high, then we're more likely to try to test this zone bear in mind we've got Asian range low to go. So we've got another trade idea, which is basically rejection from that point and seeing lower prices and up to Asian range low. And if we break Asian range low, then we could see market testing this zone, which is 18,500. So these two major zones are important for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please like the video if you find it useful, and hope to see you tomorrow. Thank you.